I am sure many of you don't want to hear about this news, about what JAMB is doing, but I think it is right that I give you the information as it is dropping. We had expected that by now the JAMB result will be ready. I mean, this receipt JAMB. I did a video earlier of how JAMB gave us opportunity to receipt the exam, and also about how they are giving you the opportunity to the mop-up exam that will be coming soon. That means JAMB exam now is about in 3 phases. The main exam that was done before the glitches, then the receipt exam which happened in Lagos, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, and Abia State. Then there's another mop-up exam which I've done a video on, the final rewriting of JAMB. I will attach the video for you. Now, what I expect you to know now is that we have been waiting for them to release that receipt results for those that wrote in the southeast and those that wrote in Lagos. Now, N.H.S here is the CEO, the founder and CEO of Educare, and he was instrumental in pressurizing JAMB, looking into the system, making sure that they give you people the opportunity to write the exam. They had said he had hoped, he had dropped a tweet that by Wednesday, that was 21st, that the result will be out, but it wasn't out. We had expected that by Thursday, latest Thursday in the morning, you should be able to see the results, but it's not yet out. So I'm doing this video for you to calm down. If you wrote that receipt and you have not seen the result, just take a chill, calm down. He just said, I am getting anxious on the JAMB result release. It is not taking longer than expected. We had expected that the JAMB results will be out for you from the at most 21st, 22nd, but it is not happening, and we are now expecting that it will be released on Monday. By Monday they could release it. I don't yet know if they will, but there is the news that you should expect the result anytime from now, especially on Monday. At least Monday, Tuesday, we should be looking at the result. If you wrote the exam, let me know. Let me know the state you wrote the exam. And if you want to do this second, the final receipting, JAMB has given opportunity for people that missed the first exam and the second exam to rewrite again. If you want to rewrite, just tell me your state and why you missed the exam so that we can keep pressurizing JAMB. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now as we keep waiting and praying. Let me also tell you that I believe that after all this long and short road, you will get admission this year. I want you to believe it, despite the challenges, despite what JAMB is doing, the glitches. I want you to tell me, type in the comment section and claim it, that nothing will stop you from getting admission this year. Still believe it. Believe it from the depth of your heart, because I also believe it. That's why I'm giving you all this important video. Click on the next video on the screen and watch now, because it's about how you can rewrite the exam and pass.